My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
What's cracking, YouTube? It's me, your host Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up a sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor: like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below, and it'll be right there, right next to me. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Alright, so this month is almost over. The month of October is almost over. We got one more week in the month, and this is only my third pickup. I know y'all see my last two pickups was the Kobe X-Rays, and I picked up the Katie Pearls. I picked them up yesterday. So this is a back-to-back pickup. So if you didn't go check out either one of the videos, go check it out right now. Stop what you're doing, go check it out, come back and finish this video. But alright, shout out to Shoe Palace right there. Bag is secure. Pull out right here. So as you can see, black lid top, flight right there, red Jumpman in the center. Nothing special. Cement print bottom half of the box. Nothing special. It reads women's Air Jordan 4 Retro. This is a women's exclusive. The color is Orchid neutral gray black, size 10.5, which is the equivalent of a 9 men. I do go half a size up sometimes. I'm 8.5, but I do go 9 because 4s fit kind of snug. They kind of like a little bit uncomfortable. So a 9 is okay with me too. So alright, so you know what that means? Personal pair, no reseller here. So I actually was looking forward to this shoe. This is my first time, well, in the car driving here. This is my first time actually seeing the shoe in hand. I saw images of it, never saw it actually in hand. So whatever. All right, so take off the lid. Without further ado, I don't even know the name of these. I'll have the name when I come back. Matter of fact, I can pull up the name right now. I don't even know the name of these. I gotta get some information for this anyway. So let's see. Air Jordan 4. Oh, okay. Oh, that's a pretty simple name. Let's see. Give me 1 second, y'all. I want to have this information already ready. Okay. All right. All right. So without further ado, I got a name now. We got the women's Air Jordan 4. Put this up there. Orchid. Boom. Alright, so women's Air Jordan 4 Orchid. This shoe is so fire. Like this, I'm saying it right now. This is my, I know Class is making it fit.
Glazer.
He is what? Y'all being a glazer.
You're glazing the shoe too much.
I mean, it's the dopest shoe like that. It's my shoe of the year. This is my shoe of 2024. I don't know how I'm glazing. Like what? Like I don't know what you want me to say. Like I think this is the best shoe I got in all of 2024. Anyway, I'm gonna give you some information. This is off of hypebeast.com. Shout out hypebeast.com. You can read along with me. Hold on, let me get the screen record. You can read along with me right now. It should be right there next to me. All right, so suggestion retail price. I forgot to tell y'all too when I read the label is $215. They did go up like another $5, I think, because usually Jordan 4s is like $210, I think. So yeah, so all right, so it reads, update, it's finally time for the Air Jordan 4 Orchid to make its grand entry into the sneaker world. After being delayed a few weeks, the pink, black, and gray color scheme that we described previously below is now officially scheduled to drop. Look out for this suede cover iteration of the AJ4 to arrive on October 26th via sneakers and selected retailers starting at the price of $215. Not really that much talk. Let me tell you. It said read free. Okay, here we go. got some more information. First spotted back in early May, we now have a detailed look at what to expect from the new women's exclusive Air Jordan 4 Orchid. Its signature hue is presented in a suede finish across the sneaker as cement gray, accents the pair alongside notes of black and white. Release remains anticipated for October the 5th. Yeah, so the original release date was supposed to be October the 5th. It got pushed back. There goes some more images right there. I mean, but you see the shoe right here. So, wow, origin story. Okay, Jordan Brand is not holding back when it comes to its celebration of the Air Jordan 4 35th anniversary with the return of the military blue colorway. Oh, what is this about? Okay. Surrounding the silhouette is higher than it's been in years. Added to the list of anticipated releases across the sneakers, the new women's exclusive Orchid iteration. Rumored previously at first glance at the upcoming drop has now appeared, confirming that the mock-up above is accurate in its detailing. Its signature pink hue dresses the suede upper as cement gray. Enters the mix at the base of the wings, the midsole, and the heels. A pink Jumpman logo is spotted, resting atop a white tongue tag that matches the shoelaces and the portion of the midsole that surrounds the visible air unit as black rounds things out for this one image preview at the sole and utmost part of the wings. Alright, so that it was a lot of information. And you see right there. Okay, alright, so that's it. You can always just pause the video, read it if you want. So, Orchid or Pink Orchid. Yeah, so we got this suede upper right here. I usually don't even like suede material on Jordans, but this is nice. It's nice. Got the black eyelids right there on both sides. Pink laces. It does come with black laces in the box. I think the black laces would definitely make this pop, to be real with you. But I wouldn't be mad at you if you kept the pink laces in there too. I might do pink and black, to be honest with you, depending on what I rock. But it got the pink Jumpman on the tongue and the white box with flight in black underneath. When they were talking about the cement gray, got right here, and got on the pull tab on the back with a black Jumpman on the back too. I think that's a very, very nice touch. Got the cement print on the midsole, white right there under that with the air bubble unit going all the way around. The outsole, we have gray at the bottom, black on the side that leads up to the top. Got two pink pods right there, gray right there, and the pink Jumpman in the center right there. So I mean, it's just Classic Sam Blazing. I just think that, my opinion, for me, this is the best shoe of 2024. I'm trying to remember all the other shoes that dropped. I haven't even really been buying those shoes in 2024, to be real with you. I mean, at the beginning of the month, the beginning of the year, excuse me, I was, but the last like 3 months, I've been getting like 1 and 2 pairs of shoes. I've been buying a lot of Romeros, to be real with you, just cause it's so comfortable. But I mean, this is a dope ass shoe. I mean, 1 to 10. Oh, we got black behind the pink netting too, right there. So 1 to 10, I'm gonna give this, woof. I'm gonna give it a 9.5. Probably. It's hard for me to give anything a 10, but if I was gonna give a shoe a 10, it would be this. I just like it. I don't see no flaws with it. And I'm trying to find one thing I don't like about it. I'm like, they could have did this. I even like the cement print. I want to give it a 10. I'm not gonna give it a 10. I'm gonna give it 9.5. But I can't find nothing wrong with it. All right, you know what? I'm gonna give it 9.5. They should have did a special box. I'm just gonna say that. I'm gonna be petty. If they would have gave it like a special box, like black and pink or whatever like that, it would have been a 10. Because the shoe would have been perfect, the packaging would have been perfect. So I'm going to give it a 9.5. Just only because the box is nothing special. Like, I could throw this box away, I wouldn't even care. But I like it. This is my shoe of the year. This is my shoe of the year. Class, what you going to give? I know you're going to say something stupid. Go ahead. What's your grade? Go ahead.
4.5.
No, you just a hater. You're a hater. 4.5? Why is it a 4.5?
I think.
My son's a hater. This ain't no 4.5. This is nowhere near a fucking 4.5. But whatever. You're a fucking. If I'm a glazer, you're a fucking hater. You're a hater. Anyway, y'all let me know in the comments below Are you a glazer or are you a hater? No, I'm playing. Let me know in the comments below if this was a cop or drop for you. I kind of want to double up on this. I'm not going to double up on it. I don't need to double up on this just because I wear my shoes so rarely. And I'm thinking about another. I got a Dunk that's kind of like this, but a little bit. You know what? You keep it rolling.
Yeah.
I have a Dunk. So, it's a lighter pink. Way lighter pink. But this is my favorite Dunk. Like that. And I love the laces right there. So, but, lighter pink. Wait. No, now I'm looking at it like it's super lighter. But, you know, you give me the idea that pink and black. And I really, it's hard for me to buy shoes with a colorway that I already got. Because it's, I don't know. It's kind of hard. It's difficult. But, it's difficult. Anyway, let me know what y'all think about this shoe. If it's a cop or drop for y'all. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Toon's Kicks and the whole Toon Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.